y'all, so this is a wig that I'm wearing and I love it. I don't know, I feel like it's giving rich auntie, like like back in the day when it's like in like the 80s. I feel like this was giving rich auntie.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Queen Style. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig review by Outre. And this wig is called Julianne and I'm super excited to try it. It is so beautiful, okay, and I'm ready. So I just got my hair washed and blown out at a beauty salon. So now I'm about to just apply this wig. I got it inside of the box. As soon as you get it, it will look just like this. And let's take it out. It comes with the stock card, as it always does. These curls, y'all, these curls. Color is giving. It looks dark brown in the camera, but it's definitely like a light brown. And the curls come just like this. It comes layered. It comes with an elastic band, adjustable straps in the back, and a comb in the back. And this is what the lace is looking like. All this lace in the front. So you get all this lace. This is giving auntie. I probably won't even need a wig cap, to be honest. Definitely wear it to the side. This is cute. And is it shedding? It's shedding a little bit. It's shedding like a little bit, but I think once I brush it, it's gonna be fine. Let's get into it. Let me try it without the wig cap and see how it looks. Yeah, I honestly think that's better. Alright y'all, so in order to like color the lace, what I did was use Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 10. This is what I used. And look how seamless it looks. Like, ugh, it looks so good. Alright, so I'm just gonna clip this back.
Alright y'all, so this is by no means tutorial or anything because I am still learning on how to really apply wigs properly, like the way I wanted to. So I'll follow this girl on YouTube and I'll link her video down below and the video that I was watching to help me apply this wig. But honestly, the more I do it, the more I'm gonna get better at it. I already know because I love doing my hair. So wigs are just one of those things that I'm not that great at, but I'm gonna get better at it, trust me. But everything that I am using will be linked down below, so just in case you're curious on what I'm using, it will be in the description box down below.
Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Oh my goodness, I love the way this came out. I'm a side part girly. This is how the part looks. I have to do the side part. The middle part wasn't doing it for me. I just put like a little bit of makeup on and it's just like, let me just see how it looks with makeup on because I don't usually put on makeup. Oh, this is what it's giving. I don't know, I feel like it's giving rich auntie. Like like back in the day when it's like in like the 80s, I feel like this was giving rich auntie. This is the rich auntie vibe. This is the rich auntie look. Like, period. Love how like yucky the hair is. It's nice and yucky. And yeah, it's full, you know. It's nice and full. And if you guys want this wig, it will be in the description box down below, so check it out. I really like this wig. I feel like I could have installed it better, but I'm getting the hang of it. I'm more used to braids and locks and stuff, so I'm trying to get, you know, into the wigs and get good with wigs, you know. So I don't know, we'll see. yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.